Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make nutty banana bread. Let's have a look at the recipe and what are the ingredients we are going to use for it. So here is our all-purpose flour, margarine, or we can use butter instead of it. Here is baking powder 3 gram, baking soda and cinnamon, 3 whole eggs, 1 cup of milk, sugar, chocolate chips, 1/4 of an apple, and some nuts and raisins. So here there are around 2 smashed bananas. We'll start off with by taking margarine, sugar and eggs, and we'll beat them till they are fluffy. One thing to keep in mind, keep it in the medium setting, don't overbeat. We will now add the milk and continue beating for another 1 to 2 minutes. Next we will add all the dry ingredients while continuously mixing. Slowly start folding the mixture till it is homogeneous. Now we'll add the main ingredient, the mashed bananas. Continue folding and then mix the chocolate and the nuts. Well, stirring this mixture requires quite a lot of energy, so you have to mix it till your arms ache. Grease the baking tin with oil and then pour the mixture into it. Evenly distribute the batter and add the sliced apples on the top of it. Finally, our batter is ready, so now we are going to bake our cake. So we are now going to put this batter into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 50 minutes. So here our cake is finally ready. Looks tempting, huh? I hope you all like the recipe. Please do try it at home and let us know how it turned out to be. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.